Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Simula Khan 92. Today my video is about Territory Ford, how to change the modes of your car to different modes. We can say Territory Ford is giving you 5 modes. It is normal mode, sports mode, eco mode, mountain mode, incline mode. So today we will discuss this, how to change your vehicle mode to eco mode or normal mode, or you can use the sports mode. Different drives you can enjoy in Territory Ford. Okay, let's start our video. So I am going to start the vehicle. So this is our Territory Ford. So you can see this is our dashboard, speed meter, and this is our control. This from here we can control each and everything. We can change our modes. This is vehicle settings. You can see it's a vehicle setting. You can go to the vehicle setting, body setting, vehicle information, vehicle safety. You go to vehicle safety first. One way is here. This you can see eco mode, sports mode, mountain mode. One way is to change this. You can see change here. One way is to change from here. Eco, this for eco, is for sports, is for the mountain, and this is normal. Here it will show you 4 options, but we have 5 options in Territory Ford. I will show you the easiest way how to change this. So we are at home now. If you are at home screen there, everyone have this home screen in the start. So this you can swipe your screen like this. You can see this is on the normal is our default mode, so we can change it from normal to eco. So here you can see nothing is showing. I'm changing here for eco, then you will see in the screen eco will come. See, I put eco, so the eco came here. I'll put sports, so see the sports came here. I'll put mountain, so the mountain came here. You can see HDC. I'll put this HDC, but not showing. As you can see here, HDC. When you are going down from the mountain, from the top side to down side, you can put this HDC. You can in any mode. HDC is working on all modes. See, in mountain, in eco, in sports, in normal. HDC is working separately. So this is our HDC here. You can see this is the 5th mode, HDC. So I'll close this one. If you want to don't want to use more fuel, then you can use your eco mode. If you want to enjoy the drive, then you go to the sports mode. And normal mode is also the same like a sports mode. It will take more fuel, use more fuel, and a good pickup. You can enjoy the drive, but in the eco mode you can save your fuel. I check this. I drive it in both. I didn't check the sports mode yet, but I will check sure. But I see the difference in normal and eco mode, that the pickup is a bit change. You can say not the same like normal or sports mode, eco, because it's for the fuel consumption. So this is all about today video. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.